Very important piece is to define what professional or personal mastery is in your business, in the work you're doing, in the job you're doing, in your profession you're doing. Because professional mastery is not staying ahead of others. It has nothing to do with competition. It's not beating other people. It has nothing to do with your peers or anybody else, but it's all internal to you. It is just about beating the skill set, what you need to master. It's about the content. It's about the job. It's about the business or the outcome, what you want to achieve. The question is what you really need to produce for your job. Are you good at that? When you reach that stage, that's your professional mastery. Then the very important piece to professional mastery is how do we know that we master something? For example, you are a financial advisor. What's your professional mastery? Where you produce certain level of business, where you close deals, right? That's your professional mastery. Nobody cares how much you have read the product brochures. Nobody cares how much is your time you have spent going through the financial advisory learning journey. Nobody actually cares about your skills either. What they care is what you can produce. So the outcomes are a very important piece to this one. So the professional mastery is measured in terms of outcomes. Can you produce outcome? Can you produce outcome reliably? Can we depend upon you? Are you consistent or are you one-time wonder only? These are the criteria where your performance is reliable in terms of producing outcome, where you are consistent, where you are dependable, that people can blindly trust your outcome. That's the professional mastery we're talking about. Now, question comes in, how do we reach there in a shorter time? What are the strategies? What can take me there? Now, if you are going to sell insurance policy to a customer, your target is to make $1 million a month, no matter how many policies you're going to sell. Now, that's your outcome. Now, do you really need to master every single thing in financial business? Do you need to be the best financial analyst on the earth? Probably not. Do you need to be the best salesperson in financial industry? No. The thing is, your whole goal is to produce outcome. So now you may choose like this. I am actually going to go to only my closest circle who are well-to-do, and I'm going to use my emotional intelligence to build a trust, and then I'm going to sell, right? So once you do that, you don't need any persuasion, negotiation skills, and a whole lot of things in that particular business. But you still achieve the mastery because you achieve your goals. On the other hand, maybe I am another kind of financial advisor. I'm going to take a different approach. My company is in business for last 10 years. I'm going to pull my database for last 10 years. I'm going to plot the Pareto and I will see who are the top 1% spenders. I'll go to them only. So now I don't need to master a whole lot of things. I need to master my analytical skills in terms of looking at the data, figuring out who got the spend power, and I go to them. So now you see, you as a financial advisor, me as a financial advisor, we both professionally mastered what we want to achieve. But our skill set is different. We learn different way. It depends upon your definition and it also depends upon the outcome. And you can reach that outcome in any way.